Welcome back, class. I gotta move all of this crap to somewhere so I can get my moped out, so I can sell it, so that I can buy more truck parts. But I gotta fix the moped first. So here we are. I don't know where to put this. Oh shit! Outside. Perfect. I have too much stuff in here and not enough room. Looking for sponsors to build me a shop, you know? Because I had some guy bully me on TikTok about my blue lady curtains in the garage that have been here since we bought the house. So, because I am poor and all I have is junk. Lots and lots of junk. Oh. Perfect. Ow. Last time I rode this thing, I had a fuel line stop working. Well, start leaking, and I lost a gallon of fuel in like 100 yards, so that wasn't good. I have like thousands of dollars worth of power tools, and I always end up not using any of them. Should I just disconnect the battery? Probably. Am I going to? Probably not. That looks fine. Should probably try to drain the fuel out of this first. Yeah, probably not. I won't. I should, but I won't. Because that would be too easy. Go to the comments, let me know how big of a mess you think I'm gonna make when I pull this off. Ow. Great. Booyah. Didn't spill nothing. I'll be back. I cut my thumb with a razor blade. Got the old hog back together, so I guess it's time for a test drive. Perfect. All right, now it's time to take one last look at the finest vehicle on two wheels ever to be made. What a unit. What a unit. Liquor sickle's gone. Well, had a successful marketplace morning. Got our rebuilt turbo, everything to intercool it, up pipes, down pipes, all the boots, actual Ford intercooler. So now I get to tear this thing apart and make a running, reliable, drivable truck, not that. Wish me luck.